These are the charts of the day. Kind of a mixed day on Wall Street. I liked a lot of what I saw individually, not necessarily the market-wise, but technicals weren't bad. Let's just move on and see what's going on. Marijuana doing very well of late. Look at ACB. In the last 2 days, from yesterday morning 4.25 to today 7.79, the stock's up 75% since yesterday morning. Today, huge volume of 42 million. Maybe a little bit frothy short term when we could get a pullback, but strong momentum. Same with CGC. As you can see, yesterday's chart of the day today spiked from 8.13 to 11.25 and jumped about 2.5 points today on a whopping 44 million as well. Big volume on both of those. In the silver sector, we saw AG pop. So AGQ, the ETF, also running. All the stocks that follow gold and silver are doing very well in here. Keep your eye on these. They're a little short-term extended, but looking pretty good. Alar. We've been showing you this stock for 2 months now. Keeps trending upward. And right now my target is 30. Another beautiful day, but at top of the channel, we may get a pullback. ATAI spiked, jumped from 178 to 248. Trading at 241 after hours, up 54 cents, 29% on 10 million, which is very big volume for the stock. So more importantly, take a look, folks. This is breakout time out of a base that's taken more than a year to develop. Right now, I can see the stock making a run at 350. CXAI, the AI stocks are perky. 2 days ago, popped, then pulled back on an inside day. Today had an expansive, what we call an enveloping day or engulfing day. It netted 47 cents or 10.5%. The volume was solid at 33 million. Wouldn't be shocked now to see this stock make a run at 7.8 zone. DELL, our swing from way back here, continues to do well. Today jumping another 10 points. 1061 to be exact, 129 plus, up about 9%. We can get to 131. We may see mid-150s on this one or higher. FLGC, another marijuana-related stock, after spiking and pulling back for a couple of days and getting quiet, popped again today and ran up 69 cents at 33%. You got to follow through the high here of above 293. My target's 4 and 5. Mnmd, when I saw this acceleration, coil pop breakout, put a swing on it. I really believe this could be 17 and 20. My targets, I believe, are 14 and 17, though, for now. NNOX. Is this about to break out of this big coil that exploded in February and then pulled back? And as you can see, forming a nice narrowing coil. Today up 94 cents or almost 10%. Volume was 2.5 million. It's the kind of stock I believe that if it gets above 12.28, my near-term target, you're going to see 14 and 60. OUST swing completely dominating activity. Look at the way the stock has trended ever since it popped. It's gone from 5.25 to 1040 and doubled. My target now is 12.75, 13. Smtc, this semiconductor broke out and is now headed, I believe, for a test of the February 23 highs a year ago. That's a $35 stock. Talk, our swing trade, continues to press after a 5-day pullback and flag. It popped again today. Watch this one over 377. You might see 4.5 and then 5. Vnda exploded on the FDA approval of one of their drugs today. And you can see how it exploded and pulled back. Closed at 511. That was up $1.20 or 31%. 50 million traded. That's record volume on this one. To me, it's a swing trade now as it broke out out of the base. I'm looking for a retest of 6 and then 7 and 8. VTSI also broke out at a base pattern. Traded 1.2 million, was up 14%. May extend into the high teens. And VVPR followed through day. Got all the way up to about 11. What was the high? 10. Reaching 990 and then back way off to 648. So we'll be watching this carefully going forward. But I think after some consolidation, it may move higher. Target 12. 9 and 12. And finally, XTIA had a breakaway gap yesterday. Nice follow through today. 24 million traded. It was up another 30%. It's a cheapie at 456, but I think you could see 6, 7, and maybe 8. And that's a look at some of the hot little stocks out there. TechTrader.com. Good night, everybody.